Behind me on this chilly Boston morning is the memorial to what's known as the Boston Massacre, when 5 civilians were killed when soldiers opened fire on them. On that day, a young man of Ulster parentage called Henry Knox had tried to intervene to prevent any kind of altercation. Henry's parents were William Knox and Mary Campbell. They were Ulster immigrants and they'd been married in a Presbyterian church here in Long Lane. The minister was from Newtownards. He was called John Moorhead. That was the first Presbyterian congregation in Boston. And they were so unwelcome that the locals referred to them as nothing but Presbyterian strangers. So John Moorhead from Newtownards found a barn and made a sign over the door which said Church of the Presbyterian Strangers. Another one of the congregation were a family called McClure, who had also emigrated from Ulster. And their son David became a Presbyterian minister and a missionary, and his diary still exists. He was a missionary to western Pennsylvania, right out to the frontier. And in those diaries, he repeatedly uses the term Scotch-Irish to refer to his own community and to the communities that he was ministering in. Young Henry Knox, he went on to become George Washington's Secretary of War. These people made a huge impact in Boston and Massachusetts, and it's terrific to be here to start to rediscover and retell some of those stories.